So you can't consume endlessly and still say that there should be no pollution. We have to restrict our consumption, and at the same time, we need to calibrate other factors. But yes, citizens have an enduring duty to tell us that this is particular unit which is not following our norms of pollution and they are erring. We will definitely take action against them. Pollination. With the pesticides, the bees and insects which used to actually pollinate have gone from the fields. India is reviving beekeeping culture. So if we keep bees, they go around, they pollinate, they collect honey, and they serve the nature. That's what many other flying insects do. And therefore, pollination is a very interesting aspect of nature. Securing our future is what we are all aimed at. I'm also launching UNEP Endangered Species campaign. Fortunately, in India, we have a robust system of anti-poaching activities. Year on year, there are less incidences of poaching because of our vigil. And therefore, today India has the finest biodiversity or a certification of biodiversity with 70% of world's population of tiger, 30,000 elephants, 3,000 single-horn rhinos, and thousands of dolphins and many other species. So, we have this we are proud about it. I'm also launching a booklet on or a brochure of webinar series on biodiversity conservation. Ministry seems to be foresighted that for 10 months they will continue with webinar. But that doesn't mean that we'll continue with COVID for 10 months. We will definitely win the war against COVID. But webinar is a good instrument. It saves money, time and everything, travel and related efforts. And we can communicate. That is what is the gift of science. And therefore, we need to focus on these webinars. Once in a month, this will definitely become an attraction. I'm also launching a model conference of parties. Every year we meet at COP, but there has to be a model and people discuss from all sides. So this is how democratic exercise about COP also and more awareness among the people about the COP processes will grow. So this is, in short, is the biodiversity message of India to the world. We are now chair of the UNCCD, combating desertification. This combating desertification also means retaining moisture in the soil, creating green trees around, creating carbon in the soil, improving the carbon scenario of the soil, and that gives birth to n number of small species in the nature. So, we are the country where biodiversity is welcome, where nature is welcome. And this year, which is the super year for biodiversity, our message is nature will provide the solutions. Let us be with the nature. That is the message today India wants to give to the world. Thank you and all the best.